So you can see the ingredients I have here. I have my whipped cream powder. I have my cocoa powder because I want to make it dark in color, and I have my ice cold, but I can see some ice in it. Okay, so I'm going to measure inside my bowl to hasten up the process because my phone says my phone temperature is hot. So I have here my cocoa powder. Okay, and then I'm going to add in my water. I need to be very fast with this before my phone camera stop working. So I can't just start. Just gently. The goal is to just gently combine them first. And I'm going to go in, and then on ice cream. So I'll be giving recipe for the regular whipped cream as well. I like to make mine a little bit light for my parfait so that it moisten up my cake. You know, when you put your whipped cream inside cake, the cake is going to absorb a little bit of your whipped cream. So in order not to have a dry parfait, so I'll be moistening up my this a little bit. Okay? Like I said, this is just my own preference. Today I'm making for a regular cake. I'll be making it to be okay, you can see that even though. Okay, so this is enough for what I want. Alright, so now let's put inside a packing bag and be ready to make our whipped cream. A parfait. Transfer. As much as your hand can handle it. So you keep the rest in your freezer or your fridge. So you are ready to use it, okay?